Just a quick update on my transmission noise I posted several months ago, as a matter of fact. Been chasing it for a while. Long story short, I had a big fuel leak in my engine valley, which caused diesel fluid to get on my clutch disc that is sitting in front of me. So that led to clutch slippage and all that, and then the throwout bearing eventually went out. So I had to take the transmission out, and I found the source of my noise. So here's the throwout bearing. Total pieces, but that was unrelated to what the noise was. That went out because when the diesel fuel leaked onto the engine valley and all that kind of stuff, I actually put mean green down the engine valley to keep the clutch from slipping, so I got a few extra miles out of the clutch, basically. But here is what I believe is the source of the noise. Here's where the input shaft for the transmission sits, and if you see, that was the source of my noise. Now, this was like this before the diesel leak, so this is not related to the problem, but if you can look, you can actually tell how bad the diesel leak caused the clutch to disintegrate, the clutch plate. This is just a stock organic clutch. I shouldn't have gone with this, but I have upgraded the clutch since, and I went to 650 rear horsepower dual disc clutch, and it's half organic, half ceramic. And while I was in there, I actually fixed the valley drain with copper pipe, so I'll attach some pictures of that. But so in the future, if I ever have a diesel leak again, it will not drain between the engine block and the transmission. It'll go straight to the ground. That was in, which is in, like I said, zero noise. It is quiet as can be. I highly recommend that clutch. And once again, that's a clutch I bought from South Bend. It's a dual disc, 650 rear horsepower clutch, and it came with a new throwout bearing and all that fun stuff. But it is diesel fuel really messes up your clutch plate, or your pressure plate, or golly, clutch disc, if I can talk today. So as you can see, there's hot spots all over the place, and in some places here I got all the way down to the wear mark. But that's my update. So that is what I found to be the source of my noise. I did do motor mounts while I was in there. I highly suggest anybody that has this problem do that while the transmission is out, because they were a pain in the ass even with the transmission out of my way. So once again, I hope this helps someone in the future. If you guys missed it, this was the source of my noise in the video I posted before. Right there, that's what I was hearing. This clutch was going everywhere. So look how much play was in that. Have a good day, folks.